Hi farms, welcome back to NITech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete all your previously saved passwords on the Google Chrome browser. So the first thing is to launch your browser, and then you'd come to the top right section of the screen and click on the ellipsis menu. Click on passwords and autofill, click on Google Password Manager, and then on the left side of the screen click on settings, and then scroll down to delete all Google Password Manager data. So from here you can delete all Google Password Manager data, including your passwords, passkeys, and other data is going to be deleted permanently from your Google Password Manager. You want to approach this with caution. However, if for any reason you need to delete all of your passwords on the Google Chrome browser, here is how to go about it. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to the channel.